Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Now today we are going to see what is relative and absolute path in Nuke, and also we will see how we can reconnect missing files in Nuke, because this is important topic for Nuke compositor. Suppose if you are moving your project from one location to another location or from one directory to another directory, so we have to again reconnect our all media. Okay, so here we will explain how we can automatically connect our all media while you are moving one project from one system to another system or from one location to another location. Okay, so this is totally depends on your relative and absolute path in Nuke. So here in Nuke I have just open our script here, which is our Chroma fundamental Nuke script. So easily you can see. So this scripts and all files just here I have located in a folder. So in this folder, okay, so this is our Nuke scripts file, and these are our all media here which we are using in our this Nuke script. So this Nuke fundamental folder just I have located in our this F drive Nuke VFX footage. So if you want to, you can check it here. So this is our actually main folder. Inside this is our Nuke scripts, and these are our media files which we are using in this scripts. Okay, so now just a little bit come here in Nuke. So now here you can see this is our working scripts here. All media files are just linked here. Okay, so by default, what is the relative path and what is the absolute path? So by default here, whatever path this read node is Nuke is using, so this is actually our absolute path here. Okay, so it means from where you have imported your files or footage, just it will simply placed here and you can use it. Okay, like this. So this is actually our absolute path. So easily you can see. So if you are changing your project folder from one location to another location or from one system to another system, so we have to again relink our missing file. Now just a little bit see here. So just again open our folder here. This is our main folder, so easily you can see. Now after this, now I am going to move it from this location to another location here. So just a little bit clear it here scripts. So this folder just I am going to move in our different folder. Okay, so just I have selected this one, so then take and cut it and just move it in E drive. Okay, so just I have placed in E drive. So I have moved our this folder. Now usually you can see all things are here, just same before here, but I have now moved to this project folder from one drive to another drive like E drive. Okay, now I am going to import same scripts. Now here we will check what will happen. So again just simply click on open here, then click on open comp here, then go to E drive and just select your moved folder. So this is our project folder, again same, and I have selected this one new Chroma fundamental scripts. Now just simply click on open. So now here you will get these or missing files, because by default all read nodes are using absolute path. Okay, so it means if you will move your media files from one folder to another folder, so it will show here missing files, and again we have to reconnect it. So first thing here I am going to show you how we can reconnect all media. Then after this I will show you how we can just assign our relative path. So later if you are moving your project from one drive to another drive, so it will not create this problem. Okay, so here first I am going to show you how we can reconnect all these things here. So here just I am going to explain relative path. So first just a little bit press here S. So now S means just project property. So you can check this is your Nuke scripts path. So usually you can see from where you are just reading your this scripts or you have opened your this scripts. Okay, so now what I am going to do here, just I am going to assign here relative path, means where is your scripts, and if there are your media files, so it will automatically connect from there. So remember this one. For this is important that you have to place your all media files in your scripts folder. So like here easily you can see, because this is our main project folder, inside this I have placed our script, and inside this I have placed our different images, video, even image sequence. Okay, so this is important. So here just I have placed some file in our folder, and some file just I have placed here open. Okay, so now here how we can first reconnect. So nothing we have to do. What we have to do, just we have to change all these read nodes, this absolute path with relative paths. Okay, so if you want you can do before starting your work, so later if you will change your location then it will not create this problem. But here I am also going to show you how we can reconnect all these media with the help of our relative path. So now just a little bit check it here. So again press S here. So now we can see, so how we can relink all these things just in a fast way here. So again just first what we have to do, just click here script directory. So now you have defined here. After this what we have to do, just we have to change our all missings, these files, absolute path with relative path. So it will automatically connect it here. Now just double click here. So come here. So now you can see this is your absolute path here. So what we have to do, so remember this one, this is your file's name and this is your folder. Okay, and if you want to check then you can check in your project folder. Now you can check. Okay, so here just I have placed some file in our folder, and some file just I have placed here open. Okay, so whatever you want you can just connect it here. So how we can do all these things here, so just I am going to relink here. So then again double click in this read node. So just we have to clear these path. Now just delete this one and just simply click here. So now you can see it has automatically connected here. Now again these two are also missing, so just double click here. So because this is just a simple I have placed file, this is not inside any folder. So what we have to do, just we have to remove this path except our just original file name. So this one, now just click here. So this is also connected, double click here again. So this is our actually file name. So before this one just we have to clear it here. Now you can just see here. So easily so here I have connected all our files here. So easily you can see. Now just press 1 here. So this is looking good, and this is also looking good here. So easily you can see, if you will press 1 here, now you can see. But here if you will notice, this file was not missing, because if you will double click here, so this is actually absolute path. So because what is happening here, this is actually taking this footage from my original previous folder, because I have not moved these files from our original folder to another folder, because this is also I have just kept in our previous folder. I have not deleted from this one. Okay, that's why it was automatically linking here. Okay, so even you can check it here. Now just after this, finally just I am going to just reconnect from our relative path. Okay, so later if you will move this folder, so it will not happen. So just I am going to just simply select this one and just delete this one also. Now just click here. So now I have just shifted my all absolute path with our relative path. So now after this, just let me save it here. So just I have saved here folder. So just simply close it here, just clear com, show you here. So now after this I am going to move this folder from E drive to again in any drive. So this is our main folder, project folder, then select, then Control X, I have cut it, then just again place in F drive, in any folder you can place, maybe in collect file folder, so anywhere you can place. So this is only for testing purpose. So here easily you can see I have moved it in our this folder here. So now again just I am going to open it here, our this scripts. So this scripts. So now just let me check it here. So again just click on open scripts. Now come here in F drive, then we have to go in our collect files. So this one, inside this is our project folder. Now just select our this scripts and just simply click here open. So now you can see here all files are here, there is no any missing files. So usually you can see one like this, anyone, any just composting you can check it here. Okay, So this is actually fundamental of relative path. So like this you can reconnect your files, and also at starting our work you can define our this relative path. So later if you are changing your folder from one drive to another drive, so it will not create any missing files problem. So if you like this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel if you are still not subscribed my channel.